In 2017, FLO and Cadillac Fairview signed a partnership to have the deployment of 15 charging sites across our portfolio of properties with approximately 45 chargers to start. From there, we're building in that future growth. So having 4 chargers per building now is the right solution, but in 10 years, we anticipate it to be possibly hundreds of stations. Partnering with FLO has allowed us to build in that future growth. Really the leaders in the environmental movement in office real estate. And having electric vehicle charging stations as an amenity for our clients in the building and our visitors was just an easy, yes, we need to do this. You know, it really is not expected yet, but will be expected in the next couple of years. So getting onto that bandwagon really early was the right thing to do, and partnering with FLO made it that much easier. FLO had many options that some others did not. Just some key points that really attracted us to us was the bilingual service that can be provided, and the way that the system is all electronic. So if a charging station goes down on the off chance, FLO knows about it way before we do. That was very important to us, to have that seamless experience for our guests. The FLO network is definitely a value add for our buildings. We've already seen people who have told us that A, it was about time that we got these stations, and B, that the FLO solution is very professional, and the whole online piece just elevates the experience, makes it that much more of a value add. In the Toronto real estate market, in the office community in particular, it is very competitive for those large clients, for those large deals that everyone wants to do. And electric vehicle charging stations is becoming one of those competitive advantages that will position us to win those deals. When we signed the deal with FLO, we had made commitments to our major clients that we would have these stations in play in a really short time frame, an unreasonably short time frame, quite frankly. And FLO stepped up and said, hey, how can we partner? How can we get this done? And we had the stations from signing the agreement to install in about 5 weeks, which was really unheard of. And FLO was a great partner that way in getting this just done.